In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase in Adobe Fresco. So to do this, first you want to select whatever you want to erase and you want to click on that specific layer. So I'm going to use this image layer over here and click on it. Now if you can't see your layers, you want to click on this layer button top right to open them up, and now you can select your layer you want to erase. Then you want to go to this eraser tool over here on the left. So as you can see, it's the fourth one. You could also press E on your keyboard and it's going to open up like this. Now when you click on it once, it's going to turn blue, which means it's selected, but if you click on it again, you can go and change how your erase brush is going to appear. So as you can see here, I currently have this hard round variable, which I do think is the default, but if you want to use any other one, you can also click on it and it's going to get selected. Then over here, you have the option to actually change the brush size. So if you click on this number, you can change how big you want your brush to be. Then over here, you can select the flow, you can go and change the smoothing, and then you have the option to basically kind of see how it looks. You can test it out, etc. Okay, there's some other settings like hardness, spacing, angle, etc., and you can play around with this if you wanna. Then when you're ready to actually erase, what you can do is just go and with your layer selected, click and drag where you want to erase. And for the first time you do this, if it's an image layer, it's going to prompt you to actually convert it into a pixel layer. So if that happens, you can just click on convert, and now you can click and drag, and as you can see as I do this, it's going to start erasing my layer and my image. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.